Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Mookambika Devasthanam. Happy Pongal and Uttarayana Day starting today. Today's Panchangam, Thai Masam 1st, that is 14th January 2025, Tuesday, Krodinama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Hemant Radho, Thai Masam, that is Magaramasam, Krishna Paksham, Pradamai, Bhaumavasam, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 11:29, Punarvasu, then Pushya Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 3 to 4:30 p.m., Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m., Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m., Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m., then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:39 a.m.,